Making a Newtonian Reflecting Telescope. Newtonian Reflecting Telescope employs the reflective properties of light and uses mirrors and lenses. It is an optical telescope which uses a combination of curved and plain flat mirrors to reflect light and form an image, rather than lenses to refract or bend light to form an image. It is more useful for astronomical viewing. Requirements: 1 wooden frame, 1 concave mirror, about 3 inches diameter and 50 centimeters focal length, glue, 1 plain mirror, about 1 inch into 1 inch, 1 eyepiece. Method: take a wooden frame about 70 centimeters long, 4 inches wide and 4 inches deep, with 1 open end and 1 closed end, and a hole to mount the eyepiece. Stick the concave mirror on the closed end of the wooden frame. Mount the flat mirror just below the hole meant for the eyepiece at an angle of 45 degrees. The distance between the concave mirror and flat mirror should be slightly less than the focal length of the concave mirror. Mount the eyepiece just above flat mirror. View some object through the eyepiece and adjust the flat mirror slightly to get a clear view of the object.